So I've been using this record player here for about 3 months now. It works pretty well, and I'll just let y'all listen to it for yourself. This is Eagles. It also comes with counterweight here, which comes in handy, so you don't damage your vinyl. I personally am a beginner. I'm still trying to figure that all out. The turntable comes with a 33 RPM, a 45 RPM, and a Bluetooth mode. The Bluetooth mode is literally just connected like a Bluetooth speaker with your phone. The 45 RPM is pretty good. I have a couple 7-inch 45s, so it's nice to play that. And along with it, you have a little adapter for your 45s. So I use that, it works pretty well. The lid, I mean, it's just plastic, but it's not necessarily the cheap kind of plastic. It's kind of thick. One of my biggest concerns about it is, here, I'll move this real quick. One of my biggest concerns about the turntable itself is the underside. I'm gonna prop my pen up. So as you can see here, this it's some kind of like very, very thin wood here, and I don't know, that's my biggest concern about it all. It just seems like a cheap base for it. And another thing is, it also comes with a foam pad or velvet pad that works decently well. Not necessarily the best. There's also no like just annoying big logo on the speaker part there, so that's pretty nice. And all in all, it just works pretty well. There's a auto stop function here. And another one of my critiques about it is the place where you rest the arm needle is really close to here, so I feel like it puts too much pressure on the outer end of it, so I wish it had a support right here. So yeah, that's my thoughts of this turntable. Next year when I go off to college, I'm definitely going to take it with me.